This well-designed planer offers fast stock removal and the smoothest finish. Exactly what we expected from Bosch. The powerful 6.5 amp motor runs the versatile two-blade Woodrazor system at 16,500 revolutions per minute with a protective shield that covers the section of the blade that's not in use. The fence itself deserves applause. Bevels are accurate and easy to adjust. We love the chip ejection as well. Too many times. We've tried tools with an exhaust system that might as well not be there. But this one actually moves the removed stock and it's multidirectional. Deep cuts are possible in just one pass without bogging or chatter. There's even a spring-loaded park rest stand that protects the blade and workpiece. The saw is a special shape that allows easy startup in the middle of a workpiece. Accidental starts are a thing of the past because of the lock-off release button. Bosch thought of everything. We're impressed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3/4 inches planer kit with the two-blade system, chip ejection switch, and ratcheting depth knob. Number 2. 6.5 amp motor delivers 16,500 revolutions per minute, easy to adjust bevel fence, spring-loaded park rest stand. Number 3. Durable micro-grain carbide blades. Number 4. Includes planer, bevel guide fence, blade wrench, chip bag, and case. Number 5. 11.8 inches shoe length. 6 pounds, 1-year warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.